Welcome back. Hearing lady journalist sexual assault case, the Panji Fast Track Court has ordered to provide entire electronic documents related with the case to accused Prudent Tejpal. As per the court's order, Tejpal will get entire CCTV footage obtained from the Hotel Grand Hyatt. The court has directed the prosecution to provide copies to Tejpal within 20 days.
The trial court on Saturday ordered to provide a mirror image copy of each and every electronic document submitted before the court as a case property to the accused Prudent Tejpal. According to court's order, Tejpal will get CCTV footage obtained from the Hotel Grand Hyatt from the date 7 November 2013 till 26 November 2013. Tejpal will also get the call details with mobile tower location of the phone of the victim.
Order has been passed by the court today, directing the prosecution to furnish to the accused copies of all that is forming part of the charge sheet. That was the order today.
Prudent Tejpal has also filed an application seeking SMS details of the victim's phone. The court has directed prosecution to file a reply in this regard by next date of hearing, that is 13th May. The court will also hear the arguments on the application filed by Tejpal to prosecute the investigating officer for disclosing the identity of the victim in the charge sheet.
The case now stands adjourned for arguments on an application filed by the prosecution to conduct further investigation, and that is posted on the 13th of May at 2:30. And also on the same day is an order going to be passed on an application filed by the accused. What they say is that the IO, while filing the charge sheet, has divulged the identity of the victim.
Our reporter from Panji, Mukesh Kumar, with video journalist Sushant Pal for Prudent.
Daburi Congress MLA Momin Gudino has criticized leader of opposition Pratap Singh Rane for keeping mum on various issues. He came down heavily on Congress party for taking people with RSS background in their party. But he feels RSS is not a bad organization as portrayed by the Congress. He is all set to leave Congress, and political circle is abuzz with news about Momin joining BJP.
Asking the Congress president in Goa, John Fernandez, if you have got the guts, take action. I am asking you to take action. Why are you not taking action? Why are you only talking and making some miniature creatures in your Congress who were till yesterday RSS people who were working in the one of the spokesperson, Durgadas Kamath, was working for Damu Naik of the former Fatorda MLA. He is a hardcore RSS person. Congress today is totally gone to the dogs because of characters like this, and it has been outsourced to person like Durgadas Kamath. It has been outsourced to certain independent MLAs. There is nothing called original Congress. You have at one level a person who cannot even win a panchayat election as your party president. At the other end, you have somebody not even opening the mouth as leader of the opposition. You have somebody who even to say something what normally others will take half a minute, you take 10 minutes. So you have gone. I am not per se condemning RSS as an organization. What I am saying, Congress is the party which always has criticized RSS, has been against the RSS. But here you have a case where a strong RSS person is supposed to be almost the chief spokesperson. Have you outsourced Congress to people like this? This is my question. I am not against RSS. I will never be. Why should I be? Every organization has its plus and minuses. They also have got some of their positives. So I am not criticizing RSS as an organization.
There is a need of more X-ray technicians for night duty at Hospicio before hospital faces any untoward incident. There is only one technician serving at night. If there are more than 2 casualties, the other patient has to wait, and sometimes delay in treatment can lead to major complications. Similar situation arose in the hospital recently.
The incident occurred at around 1:30 at night in Hospicio. An accident case was referred to X-ray department, but shockingly, the X-ray technician was not present in the room. The patient had to wait for almost half an hour, while their relatives and friends, with the help of the ward boy, were busy searching the technician.
हे वॉर्डाक रातीचो एक पूण मनीस आसूंक जायो आनी कोणूय गेट ओपन करूंक ह्या मनशाक सोदून खंय वचपाचो तो वॉर्ड बॉय सोदून गेलो आम खबर आहली खंय सोदपा तो तेन तेक हो देवरान सोदून हाडा हांव वयता आलो सोदूंक हे हाल मेलो जाल्यार म्हगे लायफ हांव केन्ना इसरोपा न्हू.
Finally, they met the X-ray technician.
हांव NICU वॉर्डान गेल्लो इमर्जन्सी एक्सरे आसलो पोर्टेबल.
पूण हिंग आनी कोण वचपाय न्हू.
नायटी एकटो आसता न्हू.
ना आतां एक्सिडेंट जालो आनी कितें हें जालें.
पूण इमर्जन्सी एक्सरे पोर्टेबल बेबी सिरियस आसलें.
There is a serious need of another X-ray technician at Hospicio, which caters to almost whole of Salsette.
This is very important. कितें फोकाण जाली म्हणजे तो थिंग गेला तो तेका साल्वार कोतलो हो मनीस हिंग मेलो कोणू जावं तो मनीस कोणू जावं अशें करून जावपा जायना हें फोकाण गव्हर्मेंटाक मागोता हांव देव हाती प्लीज एक ना दुसरो मनशां रेडी कर. हॉस्पिटलांत 1000 डॉक्टर आहाय मनशां कितें ते एक्सरे काडूं न्हय तेच्यान कितें काम करूं आतां एकलो ना दुसरो एक्सरे काडून त्या मनशां पेशंटाक चोवपा जावो तेगे सारकें थाऱ्या घालूं जाय आनी ते खंय ऑन बेडीच्या न्हिदवपा जाय नॉट लायक आवटसायड समवे दॅट पर्सन इज वेटिंग फॉर हाफ एन आवर to be treated. हें फोकाणा.
Savio Dias for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.